If you're a fan of the machete movies, you'll find these machetes fitting right into the main character's collection. First up, the M48 Ops Combat Bowie, a formidable 41cm weapon with a reinforced handle capable of chopping, sawing, and cutting through various materials. Then there's the Spatel 5, a modern version of a Soviet rescue knife, boasting 5 working edges, including a saw and a sling cutter, making it a favorite among Western enthusiasts. Lastly, we have the Tiger M Machete, featuring Japanese AUS-8 steel and a convex edge for superior cutting performance. The M48 Ops Combat Bowie is priced at $95, while the other 2 machetes go for around $55 each. Fire Piston. Now, let's discuss the Fire Piston. It's a simple yet effective tool. Place the tinder in the notch at the end of the piston, then sharply push it into the cylinder. The air inside compresses, reaching temperatures over 200 degrees Celsius, igniting the tinder without the need for a spark. This handy device is available for just $20. ZPX Plex Solo Tent. The ZPX company offers the Plex Solo, a lightweight tent weighing around 400 grams, perfect for bicycle tourists and solo adventurers. Despite being a single tent, it includes a mosquito net, good ventilation, and a vestibule. Whether it justifies the $600 price tag depends on your needs and preferences. Hot Pocket Solar Heater. Introducing the Hot Pocket, your versatile camping companion. This solar-powered heater doubles as a universal power bank, providing 12 hours of heat or up to 10 charges for your iPhone. Available in various sizes, it weighs under 240 grams, making it a practical addition to your gear for just $99. MFH Buck Saw. A compact saw is essential for both travel and gardening, like the MFH Buck Saw, weighing around 400 grams and equipped with 2 320mm long blades. You could acquire this saw or a similar one for $20. Sidekick First Aid Kit. Just as Batman has Robin and Spider-Man has Karen, outdoor enthusiasts have Sidekick to rely on. This compact first aid kit packs over 45 essentials, including burn gel, bandages, water-purifying tablets, and medicines like ibuprofen. Opt for the Pro Kit version, and you'll also receive a comprehensive life-saving training video course, priced at $75 for the standard version and $120 for the Pro version. Sawyer Mini Filter. Check out the Sawyer Mini Filter, weighing only 57 grams with a longevity of 378,000 liters, removing almost 100% of protozoa and all microplastics during purification. When the filter membrane nears its limit, a simple wash can restore the purification level to 98.5%, available for $33. Gerber Exom Sheath. Gerber is making strides in the hunting, tourism, and outdoor goods market with the Exom Sheath, designed for standalone use or connecting multiple units. Crafted from budget-friendly yet durable Chinese steel, a knife with the sheath costs $36. FirFlow Steel Stove. Meet the FirFlow, a no-frills steel stove that's easy to assemble, stands firmly on rocks, and allows you to add firewood without burning yourself, weighing just 1.2 kilograms for $49. Flounder EDC Multi-Tool. Ever heard of EDC? It stands for Everyday Carry, and the Flounder is a compact and versatile EDC multi-tool, about the size of a coin. Crafted from titanium, it comes with various tools, including a saw, nail puller, pry bar, and bottle opener, priced at $49. Earthpack Backpacks. Earthpack Backpacks are ideal for keeping your stuff dry, coming in capacities ranging from 5 to 55 liters, each including a waterproof case for your smartphone, priced at $23 for a 20-liter backpack. Campfire Puffy Jacket. Meet the Campfire Puffy Jacket, resistant to thorns, water, rocks, or even campfire sparks, standing strong and comfortable, with version 2.0 offering 10 times more comfort than its predecessor, available in 5 sizes for $400. UA8 Evolution Life Jacket. The UA8 Evolution creators demonstrate another sales masterclass with a life jacket approved by the US military, featuring the revolutionary Swidlick system, offering buoyancy of 36 kilograms despite weighing only 1.6 kilograms, priced at $819. Rockpack All-in-One Solution. Introducing Rockpack, the world's first all-in-one solution combining flashlights, solar charging, battery charging, and waterproof storage into a lightweight package, priced at $179. Woodhaven Intimidator Sound Imitator. Woodhaven's Intimidator, priced at just $22, allows buyers to produce realistic grunts and snorts, attracting deer with lifelike sounds, compact enough to carry in a backpack. ACR Rescue Flare. The ACR Rescue Flare surpasses USCG standards, visible from up to 10 kilometers away, lasting over 20 hours on a single set of batteries, priced at $80. Radio Flashlight Solar Power Bank. Another all-in-one device for you, a Radio Flashlight Solar Power Bank, with a USB port for charging smartphones, priced at $33. Stas Tactical Alarm System. The Stas Tactical Alarm System, perfect for safeguarding campgrounds and tent camps, offers flexible configuration to adapt to various threats, priced at $75.